Wow, look at what they are playing. Come and meet Xtron Pro, a programmable mobile console which is especially developed for children. It has multiple forms with one core and many possible extensions. It supports running MakeCode Arcade games. We also developed a dedicated software platform for it, XMaker. Now let's explore the rich functions of XMaker. XMaker has rich code blocks and image resources to make it easier for beginners with limited knowledge of programming. It also supports JavaScript and Python languages. The programs written can be run and tested on the simulator. After developing, it can be downloaded to Xtron Pro and ready to go. Xtron Pro has 16 megabytes flash storage. It can store multiple applications, which can be switched anytime and anywhere. The magnetic absorption modular design offers a larger possibility for creativity in programming and also make it more fun. The built-in IMU sensor with high accuracy leads the fun of game to go beyond the buttons. Having multiple Xtron Pro connected through data wires makes it possible to experience the joy of online collaboration or confrontation. On top of your self-programmed games, Xtron Pro also supports to play thousands of classic NES games. We designed for Xtron Pro trendy wristband, arc-shaped silicon base, and adjustable watch band. With it, Xtron Pro instantly becomes a smartwatch, in combination with the motion sensor to create a step counter, or a DIY countdown timer. Xtron Pro can also be connected with external extension models and develop IoT applications. Through the app, the growing environment of the potted plants at home can be monitored and watered automatically. In the future, there will be more expansion modules, and the gameplay will be immensely boosted. What's more, it can recognize voices, and the voice command can be customized through programming. Xtron Pro is much more than this, with more gameplay and applications waiting for you to explore.